everyone, it is my third video about hometown. Here I discuss about Metro City if person live in Metro City. Here is a pic of Metro City. You can see here glitter of lights and their surrounding and full of lighting, and you can see advanced technology based buildings, and their building style is quite different from villages and towns. You can see rush. My first point is I live in ABC, your town name. It is Metro City and very populated city, as metro cities are populated because of migration. It is quite modern and advanced city, as metro cities are quite advanced and they use advanced technology, and their lifestyle is more modern than villages and towns. Their living style is updated and high. जैसे कि मेट्रो सिटी में हमने देखा है कि लोगों के पास बंगलो हैं, एक ही घर में चार गाड़ियां हैं, और उनका ड्रेसअप भी ब्रांडेड है. वे मोस्टली हॉलीडे स्पेंड करने जाते हैं फॉरेन कंट्री में, एंड देयर स्पीकिंग स्टाइल आल्सो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम विलेजेस एंड towns. That is why here I am using lifestyle is updated and high. There are immense number of facilities available which are become eye-catchy for migrating people. Many colleges, schools, best health centers, industries are attracting to settle down in big cities. As you know, most of people migrate from villages because of work, because of study, because of good medical services, and for business also. Most of buildings are high rise, and their citizens are come from different state of India as well as another countries, so culture diversity we can found here. क्योंकि यहाँ पर अलग अलग राज्यों से लोग आए हुए हैं और अलग देशों से, इसलिए वहाँ के कल्चर में और वहाँ के कस्टम में हमें डिफरेंशिएशन मिलता है, डाइवर्सिटी मिलती है. देयर इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम. मेट्रो ट्रेन्स मेक comfort life of daily commuter. Means here we can describe about their roads infrastructure as well as their buses, trains, airline, also everything you can use to describe their transportation system, and navigation also. Some South India is using navigation mode of transport, boats and ship also, because it is quite near to sea and ocean. This point is there is many problem occur due to overpopulation, like traffic congestion, pollution and crime. As because of competition, people do crime day by day, because of they find they do not have much facilities like rich people, as metro cities have two category of people. Some are very rich while some are very poor, and because of this differentiation, increasing crime rate, and mostly youth like to earn money in one night. They do not spend their whole life to earning money and to become rich man. They just spend one night for earn money like a rich people. That is why their crime rate is increasing, and technology made easy life in many ways, but most of people live unhealthy lifestyle. here I describe all problem of metro cities. Most of people depend on technology instead of their manual work. Most of like to do work on computer, laptop or wire machines. They do not spend time on manual work because they do not like to waste time on. People have modern thinking, that is why traditional way of celebration is completely lost. Festival celebration does not mean for them, it is make just way of fun. As जो बड़े शहरों के लोग हैं वो पुरानी परंपराएं भूल गए हैं और वो पुराने तौर तरीके भी भूल गए हैं कि कैसे वो त्यौहार सेलिब्रेट करते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने इसे बस जस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट का सोर्स बना लिया है और वह अपने हिसाब से ही फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। उनको इसका मीनिंग नहीं पता होता, बस वो अपने अर्निंग को स्पेंड करने के लिए और अपना शो अप करने के लिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ पीपल हैव सेडेंटरी लाइफ स्टाइल, ऑल आर बिजी इन देयर वर्क, मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल डू 9 to 5 जॉब एंड वीकेंड दे गेट टाइम फॉर फैमिली, मीन्स they all are busy in earning money. They just run behind the money and to earn best source of income, to earn best facilities, services and best ways of live life, but they forget their actual lifestyle. Some people spend their weekend on overtime work or extra time work instead of spending time with their family. Next point is their up-to-date facilities make it different from other area. Here I explain differentiation from other area, like their facility and services, like up-to-date technology-based services are different from villages and towns. There are many parks and recreational center of shopping malls. I feel that it is interesting place to get exposure of different things. Means जो बड़े शहरों में रिक्रिएशन सेंटर मीन्स यहाँ पर डांस क्लासेस, म्यूजिक क्लासेस बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाती हैं। यहाँ पर अलग से भी रिक्रिएशन सेंटर दिए जाते हैं ताकि वह वीकेंड स्पेंड कर सकें और वह अपना माइंड डाइवर्ट कर सकें, इसलिए जगह जगह रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर होते हैं जो कि गाँव और शहरों में, छोटे शहरों में नहीं मिलते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।